If you're a small business owner or freelancer, choosing the right payment processor can be tricky. Most people get this wrong. They assume all card readers are the same. The surprising truth is that Square and SumUp, while similar in some ways, serve different needs depending on your business size, sales volume, and desired features. Let's start with Square. Square is widely known for its sleek hardware and robust ecosystem. Their basic card reader is free, and you only pay a processing fee of 2.6% plus 10 cents per transaction for in-person payments. Square also offers online payments, invoicing, payroll, and inventory management, making it a full business platform. It's ideal for businesses that want more than just a card reader. They want tools to manage their operation seamlessly. SumUp, on the other hand, is simpler and often cheaper for small businesses or occasional sellers. SumUp charges a flat rate of 2.75% per transaction and doesn't require a monthly fee. Their card readers are straightforward, portable, and easy to use. However, SumUp doesn't offer as many additional features like inventory tracking, employee management, or integrated online storefronts. It's perfect for sole proprietors, pop-up shops, or small vendors who primarily need to accept payments quickly. One important difference is hardware options. Square has multiple options, from a simple mobile reader to full point-of-sale systems with touchscreens. SumUp is more minimalist, focusing on compact, portable readers that pair with your phone or tablet. There are a few considerations. Square's ecosystem can be overwhelming if you only need a basic reader, and their additional features sometimes come with extra fees. SumUp's simplicity is great, but you might outgrow it if your business expands and you need more advanced reporting or integrated tools. In conclusion, choose Square if you want a versatile platform that can grow with your business and handle everything from payments to payroll. Choose SumUp if you want a simple, low-cost solution for accepting card payments without extra bells and whistles. Both are reliable, but your choice depends on the scale and needs of your business. If this comparison helped you make a decision, subscribe for more honest reviews of business tools and tips to grow your small business.